Action.
Welcome back to this series of exercise and pregnancy. Guys, if you did not watch the first video, I'll leave its link up here. Guys, go start with the first one because we really majored on first trimester. Now we are going for second trimester. With us here is Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. Check her out. She has amazing advice for you guys. Whether you're losing weight, whether you want to get pregnant, you are in pregnancy, after pregnancy, general nutrition. And we have our model here, Ndomo Njoki.
Yeah.
Or you can call her Njoki Ndomo. Okay, so check her channel out as well. She has amazing content as well. And show some love. You leave some sweet comments. It goes a long way to help these channels here. Okay guys, so in our second trimester there's so much you can do and there's so little also you can do, so variation changes. What we did in our first trimester you can also do on our second trimester, you can also do on our third trimester, so that's constant. Now we are doing weight toning, because remember on our second trimester you start gaining weight. Remember, the growth is happening and it happened by extension everywhere else. Your cheeks, your ears, everywhere. Now we start focusing on how to, we may not avoid to keep off the weight completely, but just how to maintain it so that after delivery we are able to go back to, quickly, going back to our original shape quickly. So today we are doing toning. And we're using a dumbbell. Guys, if you don't have this dumbbell at home, don't worry, you can use a water bottle. Okay? 1 liter or 1.5 liter, it's good enough for you. But if you have the dumbbells, feel free to join us and let's do this together. Are we ready?
Yeah.
So remember, we are not jumping much. And guys, you can use the first video for your warm-up before you come now to this video. Yeah? Okay, so we'll put our hand here. Remember, our movements are also limited. We are not jumping up and down, but we eventually want to work out the whole body. Okay, so side raises. We start with side laterals. Okay, 1 soft elbow, 2, 3, 4. Our target is 10, 5, 6. 7, keep on going, 8, 9, and 10. The same hand holding, bring your weight up here. Now overhead extension. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9. And good. Now we are engaging our leg muscles.
The same hand.
The same hand actually, engaging the leg muscles in preparation to our third trimester. Okay, where now we are dealing with mostly the pelvic floor. So forward, you are folding your legs a bit. So guys, if this is the lowest you can go, that's fine. If you can go lower than that, it's okay. So if you have now in your pregnancy, remember you are limited, your range of motion is limited, so go as low as you can. 4, shall we try? 2, soften your legs. 3, chest forward. 4, 5, 6, only 10, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So the same hand holding on your side. Now we free the other free hand overhead. We bend to the side and you come up. Bend again. Check your range of motion. 3, 4, so we don't lean forward. 4, 5 more. 4 more. 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more. Where are you feeling the pull? Love handles. Love handles. So we make sure after you have downloaded, after you have delivered, we regain our love handles back. Okay? So the same hand holding. Now this time turn towards the left side. Support your hands on your knees, chest forward. Okay? So here we go for rowing. So only your hands moving, remain down. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. So controlled movement throughout. Pulling, 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 and pulling. Where are you feeling the pull? On your latissimus dorsi. Okay? We call them what? Grab latissimus dorsi. Scientific name. Okay? Now we change to the other hand, and the free hand goes back here. This is mostly to take care of our posture. We start with side raises. Okay? Move slightly this way. So that you're able to raise to the side. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're tired? 10. Oh, that's the weak hand.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so bring it up here. Overhead, take it down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Squat, forward swing. Let's go. 1, chest forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So far so good? Commercial break as I explained something. I know you need this rest. So guys, why we normally say stay within your aerobic movement. Yeah? Range. You need to be able to exercise and talk. That's the only gauge you can do. You need to be able to exercise and talk to know actually you're within your aerobic zone. Okay? If you're panting too hard for the pregnancy, it's not good. If you feel dizzy, kindly stop. Yeah? Or all the other, you know, careful measures that you need to take. Yeah? If anything happens, always consult your doctor. You're allowed to stop right there and consult your doctor. Okay, so now we are going for the love handles. Side bend and come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep on breathing throughout. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are turning towards our right. Support yourself here. Chest forward. Only your hand moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very easy. How is it?
It's really easy, actually.
So it's something actually you can do 2 or 3 rounds. So a complete one, we normally call it a set. Yeah? So after that you can do so many other workouts. Okay? Put your weight down. Good. We are engaging our quad muscles as well. Okay? So squat a little and bring your knee up. And bring your knee up. We alternate for how many? Between 10 and 20?
20?
Okay. Let's go for how many? 15 or 10?
10.
Let's start with 10.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's go. Down. Right leg. 1. 2, 3, 4, good, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, good, shake it off, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Easy workout. Any question?
When is the best time maybe to involve the pelvic? I have realized you're not engaging the pelvic muscle too much. When is the best trimester to engage the pelvic muscle?
Actually, starting from the second trimester, you start preparing. And that's why we've done just a few workouts for the legs, yeah. But fully, we have not engaged, our pelvic muscles. And that one goes to the third trimester. Because now you have 3 months to work on the pelvic muscles thoroughly until now, in preparation to now delivery. So mostly the second and third trimester. But even on the first one, we engage all those muscles when you're working out on your first trimester. But second trimester and third trimester, it's very important we work on our pelvic muscles. And mostly they call them Kegel workout.
Yeah,
Kegel, yeah. So
I think we're learning a lot from you, Kazi.
the same way I'm also learning a lot from you. Okay. So tell us, in our second trimester, what food should we measure on, or the pregnant woman at home? What should they be cautious on? What should they improve mostly on in terms of nutrition?
So nutrition in the second trimester, there is additional plus 350 calories. Remember in the first trimester, we said nothing much is happening in terms of calories addition, no additional calories, but now in the second trimester, we are adding additional plus 350 calories. And you can be able to get all these calories by incorporating a healthy snack in between your meals. After your breakfast, before taking your lunch, you can have a healthy snack in between them. You can do a yogurt, a healthy yogurt, add some bananas, anything healthy. You'll be able to have those additional calories. But in terms of food, you need all the food from all the food groups, your carbs, your protein, your vitamins and minerals, they are still in work. Yes.
So, Mr. Mwakazi, I have a question. There are those who, during the second trimester, they lose weight instead of adding weight. In most cases, we see women who are pregnant add weight, but in some cases, there are those who are losing. So, do we still do the same exercise for those of us who are losing, or we have another different types of exercise for them?
Now, if you check the workouts we did in our first trimester and the workouts we've done in our second trimester, most of them are just to make sure you are fit, number one. And if you want to lose weight, that's not mainly our focus during this time. So our main focus is having a healthy pregnancy. But if you need to keep the weight away, you increase on the repetition. You are doing 10-10. You're supposed to be doing 20, between 15 and 20, but I've already shown. Low weight, high repetition. So mostly we are measuring on your fitness. If you're losing weight during pregnancy, is it a plus? As long as it does not affect the baby. Yeah. As long as it's not affecting the baby, I think it's good.
You can do all exercises.
You can do all the exercises. Because you see, we are trying to reduce on fat and you replace the fat with a muscle.
Yeah.
Because that muscle is what that will help you even after delivery, getting back in shape very quickly. And you realize actually even if you stop working out and you are doing weight toning, you don't increase so much on weight because the muscle keep feeding on the fat, a process we call cannibalism. So it's important you work out continuously for 3 to 4 months before taking And that's why, according to your pregnancy, they are like broken down in semesters. First trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. So during our first trimester is because nothing much, no extra upper, no extra weight in front. Now, when we go to our third trimester, now we start focusing on the back. And maybe we'll have that explanation when we get now to our third trimester.
Okay, so how long should you do the exercise? Maybe per day, per week, per month? Like, how long should you?
You're supposed to be, it's recommended by doctors that you're supposed to be doing 150 minutes a week. So you're supposed to divide the 150 minutes to the number of days that you work out. If you're working out 3 days a week, you divide. So that will be around 15 minutes a day. If you're doing 4 days a week, that should be less than 50, around 40.
35.
Yeah, 35 or so.
Okay.
But that's standard because you're doing that to keep fit. We're not focusing much on losing weight, but we're focusing on keeping the extra weight off. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
You see, you should do exercise. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Yes.
Or maybe to Priscilla to chip in on the issues of losing weight instead of adding. In pregnancy, we don't eat to lose or to gain weight. We eat to benefit from all the nutrients that the baby requires and what your body requires. So either you're losing weight or gaining weight, as long as you and the baby are healthy, and it is not a big issue because you are focusing on the nutrients, not the amount of feeding you are eating.
We stop focusing on you as a person.
As a person,
Now
now
we
it's
start
the
focusing
baby.
on the condition.
But again, you find that during the second trimester, it's when the baby body parts are formed and everything. So I guess someone should be heavy because of the baby's weight.
Yeah, it's different for pregnancy and if you might find that the same person, maybe, let me give an example of myself. In my first pregnancy, let me say I didn't add too much, but I can find the same person adding a lot maybe the second pregnancy. So it's different, and like I have said, as long as the baby is healthy and you are healthy, you are good.
So we do some light stretching. Okay? So pull your right leg up. So here balancing is important. So guys, balancing. You are allowed to go to the wall. You are allowed to go to the wall, lean against the wall, and support. Yeah. Avoid falling at any cost. Remember safety first. Okay? So pull your right leg up, and right is this one in case you have both right.
A minute, let me balance.
Are you sure? Okay, at the back. Okay, you are also using the other hand to give you balance for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We change now the other leg. So if you're using the wall for balance, you can turn the other side and pull for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the back. Yes, so the more you pull the knee outward, the more you feel your quads.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. Now legs out, stretching to the side, and we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and the other side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we are stretching our pelvic floor in preparation to our third trimester. Okay, so put your hands here, legs are apart. We start with your left shoulder, press in for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. The other arm in for 5, 4, 3, 2. Your chest is forward. Again, you sink deeper down for 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, now up here. So put both hands on the right, straighten your left and stretch down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back here, change the other side. You go down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. So from down here, I want us to hook our hands here. You hook your hands You straighten and fold. You straighten and fold. You're supposed to be feeling on your hamstrings. Keep on going. 2 more. 1 more. That is good. Shake it off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy like a Monday morning. Yeah? So guys, remember this is workout you can do every other day. How many minutes? 20 minutes. And you can do every other day. So see you on our 3rd trimester.